Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. March swept in with a roar, and the energy hasn't let up here at Reynolds Community College, bringing a flurry of inspiring happenings and significant achievements. On the Parham Road campus, we've proudly opened the doors to our new Military Resource Center. It's been a heartwarming experience to hear our student veterans talk about the support they feel from our amazing team and the importance of community. Then, right before the ribbon cutting, we dropped some big news. Reynolds has been designated as a military-friendly college, landing gold status. This means that Reynolds is in the top 10% of colleges nationwide for supporting veterans and dependents. We are proud to serve those who have served our country, and this designation makes very clear that we do so with excellence. A big shout out to the Military Services team for making this happen. Venturing over to the East End campus, the kitchens at Reynolds were abuzz with energy during our Culinary Career Day. Students had the opportunity to dive deep into the world of culinary arts, gleaning exclusive insights from seasoned chefs and industry mavens from local culinary standouts like the Roosevelt, Tzatziki's, HHS Culinary, and the Underground Kitchen. Ooh, and the roasted corn risotto showcase, simply sublime. Speaking of achievements, we've just celebrated an unprecedented moment by welcoming 112 new members into the Reynolds chapter of the Phi Theta Kappa International Honor Society. Their induction is not just a testament to academic excellence, it's a celebration of resilience. These students juggle full-time jobs, family responsibilities, and their studies, and yet they rise, inspiring us all. A standing ovation to our PTK scholars. At Reynolds, we embrace the strength of our community, offering a supportive network that's there for each other in challenging times. That's precisely why we welcomed the College Achievement Alliance and Donna Starks to dive into a day-long workshop about the impact of socioeconomic backgrounds on education. It's all about understanding the unique journeys of our students and crafting an educational path that ensures everyone has the opportunity to excel in their studies, in their future careers, and in the broader scope of life. Now, here's something to mark on your calendars. April 18th, the inaugural day of Giving at Reynolds. It is your chance to rally with us and lift our Red Hawks to even greater heights. That's a wrap for this month's Ride Along with Reynolds. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I can't wait to see you all next month.